much respect for you. And I can see you have 3 kids, you said, right?
Yes.
And you look like you're an excellent mom.
I
And
am.
because of that, I'm giving away something today. I give her. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah. On behalf of Real King TV, I'm giving away.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, so people, Miss Charmaine, getting her basket right here.
Okay,
So
thank
Mother's
you.
Day. All right.
I just
All right,
want
can I
to
get a
say
look over?
happy birthday to all the moms out
Yeah.
here, because we have put out a lot of sacrifice,
Yeah.
especially the single moms.
Yeah.
You know, I just want to say big up,
Big up.
because
All
it,
right.
it takes a lot
All
to
right.
be a mother.
All right. Boom, people, welcome back to my channel, Realking TV Street Talk, and today episode is a very special one at the Mother's Day edition. So people, all our mothers them, big up and thank every mother, big up on yourself. All right, people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
RealkingTV, are you a mash up the whole place, you know? And take over the whole social media. You are the general. One with you, boy, I'm a key. RealkingTV. One of your interviews and get the views. I pay your career, you choose. RealkingTV. You want the boss man, do it. Realking. I'll be your energy you bring. Big vibes. Big moves, all place turn up. When Realking step in, everybody pull up. From the streets to the media scene. RealkingTV.
Yeah, today we're here with.
Tracy.
All right, Miss Tracy. Are you your mother?
Yes, I am.
How many kids do you have?
3.
3. All right, big up yourself on Mother's Day, yeah? Big up yourself. All right. What's one thing your mom did for you that changed your life forever?
She have me,
Yeah.
and I appreciate it, and I love her.
Yeah. So I can spend the day with her?
No,
Oh.
I'm busy doing my basket right here.
Okay. Can you tell us you're a good mother, you know? And your mother was a good mom. Yeah.
She is a good mother, and
Yeah.
it's not was, because she is
Yeah.
here right now. She doing the same thing as me. She doing basket as well.
Okay. All right. On behalf of Real King TV, I give you a little chocolate. We're going to sweet up your mouth, you know? Yeah. Boy. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Thanks. Today we're there with the big bad Roadster. Big bad artist and thing. You see me? My dog, Roadster.
Yeah.
What's one sacrifice your mother has made for you that changed your life?
As I tell me say, yeah, my father, as me saying in many interviews,
Yeah.
her sacrifice
Yeah.
was to bring me
Yeah.
into this world
Yeah.
because she didn't take an abortion.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the biggest sacrifice. If you're gonna talk about while me living now,
Yeah.
my mother did it for me. Even throughout when
Yeah.
me and my father had bad times, as in
Yeah.
my dealing me away,
Yeah.
she did it and stood out for me in many ways. You understand me? I say, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man. So, yeah, man.
All right. What one thing you'd love to say to your mother right now? You can look in the camera and say it to her.
Mama, Roadster love you with all his heart. Roadster love you. Mama, Roadster no put nothing above you. Yeah, man. Big up.
Big up all mothers. Happy Mother's Day. Me and Roadster
man.
there. Today we're here with.
Marie.
All right, Marie. Miss Marie. Yeah, because you're a big woman, you know. All right.
Sure.
All right. What's one thing your mom did for you that you'll never ever forget?
She schooled me.
Yeah.
That's the greatest thing.
Yeah.
And she was there for me throughout everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. She's a good mother. Excellent mother.
Of course, she's the greatest #1 mother for me.
All right. So you plan to spend the day with your mother?
Well, I'm not going to be there because she's in the country. I'm in Kingston, so I'm going to make sure I give her a gift, though.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. We can tell us you're a good mother too, you know. We can tell. How many kids you have, by the way?
2.
Two.
2 boys.
Okay, 2 boys. I hope them pamper you tomorrow and take care, you know.
I hope to.
All right. I'm there for Real King TV. I give you 1 chocolate. All right. I don't know big, but
Thank you.
yeah, man. All right. All right. What's one thing your mother did for you that changed your life forever?
All right.
Yeah.
What my mother do for me if it change my life?
Yeah.
All right. My mother
Yeah.
take me and carry me and give my father.
Yeah.
Cause I don't say she couldn't take care of me, but She said him could have do a better job because me a boy picnic.
Yeah.
She keep me sister,
Yeah.
but she carry me, go give me father.
Yeah.
So I feel like that was one of the best decisions that she make.
Yeah.
You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Because you don't know, father know if it grow you and deal with you rough and make you know, say, yo,
Yeah.
stand up on the free.
Yeah,
'Cause
militancy.
you know,
Yeah.
say me a hustler.
Yeah.
Because true father grow me rough.
Yeah.
So that's the best thing me think
Yeah,
she
man.
do for me. You see me? I
All
say?
right, my G. Today we're here with
Pretty hard collector.
yes, Miss Pretty Hard Collector. What's the biggest sacrifice your mom that ever made for you?
My mother make a whole heap of sacrifice, you know.
Yeah.
But my mother did get her shoes from foreign. You see that sacrifice here?
Yeah.
She did get her shoes from her family. I don't remember which family member did send it for her. My mother loved the shoes.
Yeah.
I love the shoes and my mom loved the shoes. You know, my mother start to tell me say the shoes don't look good.
Yeah.
She tell me, oh, man, I like that shoes here, you know, and
Yeah.
take time cutely, neatly, and finally give me the shoes.
Yeah.
That time I one pair of shoes, girl, have, you know, as you know.
Yeah.
And when I never understand the sacrifice what she didn't make,
Yeah.
and at the time I never understand
Yeah.
why she said she didn't like the shoes again. It was afterwards, and when I started to get older, I realized that was the only way she could have given me the shoes without me feeling no way. And believe me, I told her, after I got older, much older, and I got some money in my hands, I went in a store and I buy my mother hat fiber match shoes, half a match bag.
Yeah.
So I say, mommy, you remember that she laughed till the woman peep you up herself, and I gave it back to her tenfold.
Yeah.
But that sacrifice different from everything else.
Yeah.
That was something that it stood out in my memory for me as a sacrifice from my mother. Yes.
Okay. If you could relive one moment with your mom, what would that be?
You know, some of that I can't choose one. Every day with her. I never, other than the bosses them what she used to give me, my mother was a queen. Me not gonna say perfect because nobody's not perfect, but my mother was a queen. So when you know about woman work hard for ensure your kids taken care of.
Yeah.
So I can't go up in a moment and say, you know, say this, but every day if I could have just live like 1 week, like me take a whole week and say yes, mommy. But it can't be a one moment. I don't have no one moment to say yes. All the days of my life with my mother. Until she died was a joy. She had the only somebody could have get me broke neck go St. Elizabeth. In and out, ride through, to drive long distance, go to St. Elizabeth just to go say hello. You know, that was a joy of going home. Yeah.
My condolences to Pretty Hard Collector's mom. She passed away a few years now. So people, happy Mother's Day. To all the mother them. Big up on yourself. Yeah. What's the biggest sacrifice your mother has ever done for you?
When my foot break,
What she do?
she did it for me right through. Money, she get her grocery money and area, she spend it on me, you see it?
Yeah.
No food, so she spend it on my food. So my food can get better, you understand? But I love her still. She
Yeah.
dead and gone now 4 years now, but I love her still.
My condolences.
Yeah.
If you could relive one moment with your mother, what would that moment be?
But trust me, right now I wish mother see her so go right now and say, Mommy, I love you.
Yeah.
Understand? Me are the second to last one, but yeah.
Yeah.
When it come to my mother,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm the only woman who can call me boy, I'm answer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, respect. That's how I go. Yeah, man.
Big up all my mother them, you know?
Yeah, man, big up all them, man. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, respect.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes, today we're here with
Miss Williams.
all right, Miss Williams. A pleasant good day and happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
Yes, man. All right. What's one thing your mom did for you that changed your life forever?
It changed my life forever. Let me grow up in the church.
Okay.
The church and give me more love. And but now we don't find that love with mothers again.
Yeah.
That's why most of the kids them are straying away because the mother don't have no patience to sit and talk to them. That's why we have so much violence today.
Yeah.
Mothers need to be more attentive to their kids.
Yeah. By the way, is your mom still alive?
No, she passed on in 1980s.
Oh, my
Yeah.
condolences. If you could live one moment with your mom, what would that moment be?
It will be different because what happened,
Yeah.
sometime in life when God take people out of the world so early, I don't think my mother would up to the situation what's going on. This time is very different. It's more violent now than when she was here, yes.
All right. My condolences to you and shout out to all the mothers. You're a good mother here. Miss Williams, big up all mothers, and Miss Williams is a good mother.
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you.
Take care. All right. Today I'm here with
Charmaine.
Miss Charmaine. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
All right. By the way, I'm gonna ask, how much kids you have?
3.
3 kids. All right, that's lovely. That's lovely. All right. What's the biggest sacrifice your mom has ever done for you?
I think the biggest sacrifice my mom has ever done for me is herself, because she put herself aside and make sure that everything is okay for us.
Okay.
And to add to that, we grew, I would say poor, but we never knew that we were poor because we have never been to bed hungry. And she was a single mom.
Yeah, she was a single mom.
I missed her because she's passed. So.
My condolences to your mom. All right, if you could relive one moment with your mom, what that moment would be?
Oh my God. Just to have her
Yeah.
beside me like
Yeah.
tomorrow, to treat her, pamper her, show her, the love that we have, the extra love, that extra care and touch, just to have her, but.
Okay. And much respect for you. And I can see you have 3 kids, you said, right?
Yes.
And you're like you're an excellent mom.
I
And
am.
because of that, I'm giving away something today. I give her. Yeah. Yeah. On behalf of RealkingTV, I'm giving away.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, so people, Miss Charmaine getting her basket right here.
Okay,
So
thank
Mother's
you.
Day. All right.
I just
All right,
want
can I
to
get a look
say
over?
happy birthday to all the moms out
Yeah.
there, because we have put out a lot of sacrifice,
Yeah.
especially the single moms.
Yeah.
I just want to say big up,
Big up.
because
All right.
it takes a lot
All
to
right.
be a mother.
All right. People like that, Mother's Day special done. Give away some stuff, basket and all of that. So anyways, happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Big up on yourself. Hardworking mothers, stepmothers, every woman will take care of youth. You see me? All one of them can't have no kids. Big on up, see me. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, RealkingTV Official 1. I'm out.